Welcome to Smart Economics, and here is your top breaking news. GitHub is forcing Microsoft to deal with thorny controversies 2 years after acquisition. In 2018, Microsoft made one of its priciest acquisitions ever, spending $7.5 billion on code-sharing site GitHub. It wasn't that cleanest fit. GitHub is used by over 50 million developers who tend to be outspoken, including when it comes to things they dislike about Microsoft. The deal continues to pose unexpected challenges, like a recent spat with the Recording Industry Association of America. In October, the RIAA asked GitHub to take down YouTube DL, a piece of open source software that enables people to download videos from YouTube and other online services. The software disappeared from the internet and users objected. Up Simons and Schuster for $2 billion, creating mega publisher. The biggest US book publisher is about to get bigger. Viacom CBS has agreed to sell Simon and Schuster to Penguin Random House for more than $2 billion in a deal that will create the first mega publisher. Penguin Random House, the largest book publisher in the US, is owned by the German media conglomerate Bertelsmann. Adding Simon and Schuster, the third largest publisher, would create a book behemoth, a combination that could trigger antitrust concerns. The deal includes provisions that would protect Viacom CBS in the event that a sale is caused by authorities. Bertelsmann would pay what is known as termination fee if the deal does not go through. Convex gets supply deals worth $2.8 billion for potential COVID-19 vaccine. Convex, a unit of United Biomedical Inc., said on Thursday it had received purchase commitments totaling $2.8 billion to deliver more than 140 million doses of the potential COVID-19 vaccine for developing countries including Brazil, Peru, and Ecuador. The multipeptide-based vaccine is currently in early-stage trials in Taiwan, lagging some of the frontrunners in the race to develop safe and effective vaccine. The US-based company signed an agreement in September with Brazilian lab and hospital group DASA to conduct mid to late-stage trials in Brazil for the vaccine. Convex estimates it can produce 100 million doses in the first half of next year and 1 billion by the end of 2021. China opposes apps ban, asks India to rectify practices violating WTO rules. China resolutely opposes India's measures to ban more Chinese mobile applications over national security concerns, its embassy said on Wednesday. India banned 43 of the apps on Tuesday, including Alibaba Group holding e-commerce app AliExpress, in a new wave of web sanctions amid continuous tension at the border. We firmly oppose the India's site's repeated use of national security as an excuse to prohibit some mobile applications with a Chinese background. The Chinese government has always required overseas Chinese companies to abide by international rules, operate in compliance with laws and regulations, and conform to public order and good morals, China's embassy said. NDTV shares. SEBI bars 2 promoters for insider trading. The Securities and Exchange Board of India has banned NDTV promoters Pranoy Roy and Radhika Roy for the securities market for 2 years. The market regulator has also directed them to disgorge illegal gains of more than rupees 16.97 crore for indulging insider trading over 12 years ago. SEBI has also banned 7 other individuals and entities for insider trading in the shares of the media company for a period varying from 1 to 2 years. Some of them have been asked to discourage illegal gains made from trading in the shares when they were in possession of unpublished price-sensitive information. Facebook cryptocurrency Libra to launch as early as January but scaled back. Facebook's Libra cryptocurrency is ready to launch as early as January, the Financial Times reported on Friday. The Geneva-based Libra Association that will issue and govern Libra plans to launch a single digital coin backed by the dollar, the FT said, citing one of the people. The move would represent an even bigger scaling back of the project's ambitions than that proposed in April in response to regulatory and political backlash against the project. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe the channel.